Our fire alarm panel has just arrived here, and the fire alarm panel goes together with the battery there, and the fire alarm bell, and also the call point, and our smoke detector there. So we're going to fix this today, and hopefully we can finish and make it work. Now, our fire alarm panel is already being fixed against the wall, and here, this one here, this terminal here, we will be fixing our smoke detector. So the cabling system will be from the smoke detector going to the call point, connect to this terminal here. Okay, and this one here is for our sounder terminal, and this one here is our power supply. So we will be connecting our power supply from here. We are going to fix the sounder or the alarm bell over that outlet there. Now everything is being connected now and are all being fixed. So as you can see, this is our sounder line, the line for the fire alarm sounder, and this one here is the module. So this module goes together with this panel board, and this one here is our one zone connected already to the smoke detector and to the brake glass or the call point. Now this one also here is the module, which also comes together with the panel board. So the power supply is already being connected to the power supply there, and also the battery is also connected. And now the panel board is already in normal condition, and it's already being tested. So this job should be performed professionally by an experienced and have enough knowledge of electrical work. Any technician who has the ability to perform the job correctly. The person should have knowledge about the implementing rules and regulations from the fire department. Reminder to those who are doing the same job: do not attempt to perform any kind of test using testing devices, continuity test, meager test, or whatever kind of test it may be, to avoid damaging the alarm panel. You will notice the indicator for the smoke detector is blinking, so that means that the current running inside the system is into a normal condition. Everything is already being done now, so we can cover all this panel board and also our call point. So the wiring system there should be required is at least 2.5 mm size or number 12 electrical wire. Why we are fixing the resistor at every end of the line. So this end of the line device or the resistor is utilized to continuously monitor the current running inside the system. So that is why the resistor is necessary there. I think we are all done here. Seems everything is working perfectly. Nice and good.